Let's get to breaking news at this hour. An 11th hour attempt to block the release of Slender Man stabber Morgan Geyser. The 22-year-old was 12 when she stabbed her friend in Waukesha, nearly killing her. 12 News' Nick Bohr is joining us live at the Waukesha County Courthouse. Nick, her release from a mental hospital has been delayed.
Right, she was set to be released in just a few days with the terms to be set out at a hearing here on Monday, but a petition to block that release was filed late yesterday, claiming she should stay in a mental hospital. More than 10 years later, the shocking Slender Man case still reverberates in Waukesha. 12-year-olds Morgan Geyser and Anissa Wire lured their classmate Peyton Leitner to the woods near their homes, and Geyser stabbed her 19 times, telling police they felt they had to please the fictional horror character Slender Man.
You start to get something that people call slender sickness. If he's like following you or if you meet him because of the stigma radiation that he emits.
Both were found not guilty due to mental illness and committed to mental hospitals. Wire was released in 2021 and Geyser was granted her release last month.
State of Wisconsin versus Morgan E. Geyser.
Geyser remains at Winnebago Mental Health Institute, where her release plan was to be finalized Monday. But hospital staff asked a judge to revoke that permission, in part after learning what books she was reading there.
The reading material that she's so focused on has themes of sexual sadism and murder and the sale of human organs on the black market. All of these things that the treatment team at Winnebago had no idea that she was so interested in.
The hospital staff also raised concerns about Geyser's contact with a man with an unnatural interest in her crime.
Sending him artwork of a very violent nature.
The judge delayed Geyser's release over the objection of her lawyer.
She's read every type of genre. And if Winnebago wanted to restrict books, they can do that. If they have a library there, they can restrict whatever comes in or out. She's not reading anything that she isn't permitted to have access to in the institution. There's no secret reading anything.
Now, Nick, these release conversations have been going on for some time. How long will her release be delayed?
Well, the judge already scheduled a hearing for this coming Thursday, but wants to hear from the three doctors who examined her last month when they said she was ready to be released. The judge wants to know if the concerns of those hospital staff members warrant taking another look and whether the doctors might change their minds.
All right. Nick Bohr reporting live for us in Waukesha tonight. Thank you. You can watch all of our previous coverage of this case right now on the 12 News mobile app, from the stabbing in 2014 through the trial to last month's court hearing granting Geyser's release.